Okay, really quick. I want to do a real quick review for a few of the new members were asking questions on my basic trade setup for a Golden Gecko. You can see that by going to this Golden Gecko thread here, and if you click on my Golden Gecko Super Trader style, here's my cheat sheet. It's really simple. I'm looking for 45 to 56 days expiration, any stock with the IV rank of 50% or greater, or ETF IV rank 35% or greater. A Golden Gecko, you're going to sell the one standard deviation out of the money put and call, one each, and then you're going to buy the further out of the money two standard deviation put and call. Once your order gets filled, I put a one cancels the other order in, good to cancel, a limit order where I buy it back if it gets to 50% of max profit. And the other order I put in is a stop order where I buy it back if it gets to double the credit I received. So if any one of these happens, it cancels the other. Okay, so this way I don't have to worry about watching every day, or if something runs up and gets with me, I'll just get out of it and I know I'm not taking that bad of a hit. Okay, and I concentrate on number of occurrences. And what that looks like, if you just go to dole.com, you can go to your grid page. You can select, I guess, the Tasty Trade watch list is from Tasty Trade. It's pre-programmed in there. You can click on your filter here, hide earnings, go to 35%, and you can see any ETFs or stocks, and I rank it by volatility there. So these are all everything that's 35% or greater that has no earning. Um, so you can see the highest ranked one is Apple right now because of their binary event tomorrow. So you can double click on this, and oh, don't forget here, you want to collect at least where is it? I thought I put it in here. Yeah, you want to collect at least 19.8% of the expected move. So let me show you what that means. Okay, so you can go to choose strategy, go to strangle first. Okay, so you can find out how much you can collect. So you know, in this case, Apple, 39 days out. If you do a strangle, you can collect $1.47. Okay, is that enough? To find out if that's enough, okay, you open up your Thinkorswim account, you go to Apple, go to your trade page. Remember, you're going to look at 39 days, so go back to Thinkorswim. Here's your 39 days. The expected move is $7.41, so basically $7.42. Go to your calculator here, $7.42, times that by 0.198 for 19.8%. We want to collect at least $1.46 or $1.47. Look, that's how much we can collect. Now, this account I'm showing you is an IRA, so you can't sell naked puts and calls. So you do the Golden Gecko. Okay. Click on Choose Strategy. Now you go to Iron Condor, and my Golden Gecko is already preset. So my normal Iron Condor is the default. 56 days expiration, 1 standard deviation away. This you can change to whatever you want because you can adjust it later. Click on Go, and here it is. Okay, so I will reduce it. My short strikes are the same, meaning the strikes I'm selling, my call and put are the same as the strangle. Okay, and I just want to make sure the buy side, I want him out to this 2 standard deviation line right here. The orange one, which is what I'm selling, I want it at the 1 standard deviation line, which is right here. Okay, so I'm going to move this out right here, and I'm going to move this out right here, right about there. Okay, perfect. So the green area is where I make money, the red area is where I lose money. And what I'm going to try now click is $1.21. Is it less? Yes, but that's because I'm doing an iron condor, not naked. But it tells me that this has a higher probability chance because I'm collecting enough premium. Okay, that's basically all it is. Okay, on an ETF, because it's a stock, you want this over 50%. If it's an ETF, you can do the same thing, but you're looking at IV. You can settle for IV rank 35%, as low as 35%, and you still have, I think, over 84% chance. What 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 gives you the edge is your IV rank and making sure you're collecting a premium. And again, how you do that is collecting at least 19.8% of the expected move. You can check on the expected move by going to Thinkorswim, opening up your trade page here, finding that same option trade chain and looking to the right. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it. And that's pretty much it for Apple tomorrow. Um, if you want to just play that announcement for earnings, what you want to do is you want to clear these. You want to do the same strategy actually, but you want to do it maybe only 10 days out. So in fact, I'll just do that again and then see where it says expiration timer. Let's reduce this and we're gonna look over here where it gets to be around 10 days, 10 to 11 days maybe. Why? Because it'll give you time just in case it's a big ass event and you need time to adjust your positions. Okay, so here we go. We're doing the September 20th, so it expires September 20th. That's in 11 days from now. And you're gonna do now. What you want to do is you want to move these closer in, like to the 1 standard deviation line. And if you want to check, you're looking for this to read around 84% on each side. Okay, so that's pretty good. And you want this to be right outside here like this. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna be able to collect any money here. There we go. I don't know. There we go. Now it's green. Okay, so here we go. We can sell it for 63 cents. So what you're betting on here that Apple stays at the end of 11 days. You want Apple to stay within this green area, and you also want IV rank to drop. Okay, what does IV rank look like? Here's Apple. Go to your chart page. Here is the chart. Here's your IV rank chart right here. It's at 65.77. It's green, meaning it's above 50%, and you want it to drop like this. Because if we sell it up here and IV rank drops, okay, that's how you make money when you sell premium. As far as direction of Apple, there's no way of knowing. This could go either way. I don't know if you're bullish or bearish. I'm hoping it just stays within this range, and I'm hoping it'll do that because this is collapsing. These Bollinger Bands right here are coming closer, so I'm hoping it'll hopefully narrow out and go flat. Towards expiration. I want this to drop, and OBV cross is still green. Stochastic is still green. It's flattening out. I'll zoom in a little bit. These are just some technical indicators, which they're not foolproof, but it's just to help me gauge direction. I don't mind being neutral here, selling, doing a golden gecko. But you can do whatever you want. For those of you new to my charts or whatever, this is real simple, basic stuff. Basically, you're looking at getting into something when the green is when it's coming up. Everything's going up above that blue line, which is average, and the slow stochastic is going up as well, and they both turn green right around the same time. This right here is a really bullish signal. If you look, see, these two turn green and above their averages and scroll up, and look what happened. Bam. When they both go red at the same time, it's usually bearish, like right here. See, red right here, and it turned red right there. If you look up, that happened right here, and sure enough, it went down. Okay, but that's what I might do with Apple tomorrow. I might put this on for tomorrow, collect 63 cents, and hopefully we're right. But you can do whatever you want. All right, hope that helps for the new guys. And any questions, just let me know.